How to crop photos in NanoBanana.ai. Are you wondering how we can crop photos in NanoBanana.ai? Let's get started. First things first, open up your phone browser. Here I'm going to use a Chrome. Just tap on it and go inside it. Once inside it, search for NanoBanana. You can see my current tab right over here. Just tap on it and go inside it. Once you're inside, simply scroll down to the editor section. This is it. And here you can see an option for the prompt engine. And under prompt engine, there's two options: image to image, text to image. As we're going to crop the photo, we'll be using image to image. Then simply tap on this add image, which is right over here. By the way, you can add up to 9 photos for your reference. Let's choose one of the photo. This one maybe. Then tap on done. When it's loading, let's add the prompt. In the main prompt section, type a detailed instruction on how you want to crop the photo. For example, you could write crop the photo in 16:9 ratio. Let's write it too. Then tap on send right now. Now your NanoBanana AI will process your request and you will see the cropped image in the output gallery. That is right over here and it's loading. It may take a few moments, so be patient. And you can see what it have made. And that's it. That's how you can easily crop the photos in NanoBanana.ai. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.